Hi everyone, welcome to Masoomi Academy. Learning today, leading tomorrow. We're back with another exciting lesson on daily English sentences with animation. Let's get started.
I walk through the busy market in the morning. I walk through the busy market in the morning.
I smell spices from a nearby stall. I smell spices from a nearby stall.
I look at colorful scarves on a table. I look at colorful scarves on a table.
I ask the price of a wooden bowl. I ask
The price of a wooden bowl.
I see fresh fish on ice at a stall. I see fresh fish on ice at a stall.
I buy a bag of rice for my family. I buy a bag of rice for my family.
I listen to music playing from a stall. I listen to music playing from a stall.
I greet a friendly seller I know. So good to see you again. I greet a friendly seller I know.
I find a good bargain on kitchen tools. I find a good bargain on kitchen tools.
I leave the market with my arms full. I leave the market with my arms full.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.